Between 2010 and 2014, municipal fire departments across the United States responded to an estimated 15,970 home fires each year that involved clothes dryers or washing machines. These incidents led to significant losses, including an average of 13 civilian fatalities, 440 injuries, and approximately $238 million in direct property damage annually. In terms of overall home fires and their associated damages, dryer and washing machine fires accounted for 4% of total reported fires, 1% of civilian deaths, 3% of civilian injuries, and 4% of direct property damage. These statistics are derived from data collected by the U.S. Fire Administration's National Fire Incident Reporting System and the National Fire Protection Association's annual survey on fire department responses. One of the most common causes of dryer-related home fires was the failure to clean the appliance, which contributed to 33% of all reported dryer fires. Neglecting to maintain dryer vents not only led to half of the reported deaths linked to these fires, but also accounted for 34% of civilian injuries and 26% of direct property damage. Whether you reside in a single-family home, a townhouse, or a condominium, experts strongly advise scheduling annual dryer vent cleaning, especially if the appliance is used at least once per week. Keeping your dryer vent clear of lint buildup reduces fire risks, enhances appliance efficiency, and ensures a safer living environment. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe for more safety tips.